Hey everyone, it's me again, Race Trade. So yeah, for today's video, we're diving into another prop trading firm that's actually giving traders real opportunities to scale up without risking their own money. You know, if you've ever wondered how to grow your trading career beyond just your personal capital, this one's definitely something you'll want to stick around for. I think a lot of traders overlook how powerful this can be, especially when you don't have to use your own funds to start. So the firm we're talking about today is called OneFunded, and basically it's a prop trading company that lets traders access virtual capital ranging from $2,000 all the way up to $100,000. With a profit split of up to 90%, that means you get to trade like a pro and keep most of what you earn without putting your own money on the line. So yeah, it's kind of like having the backing of a big fund while you just focus on trading. Think about it for a second. If you only had 500 bucks of your own capital, your returns are obviously limited, right? But when you're trading with something like $100,000 from a firm like OneFunded, your potential just scales massively. That's really the beauty of prop trading. They fund you, you trade, and you keep the profits. It's a win-win setup that gives traders the freedom to focus more on performance than worrying about capital. Anyway, if you want to get in at a cheaper price right now, guys, I've got you covered. You can get a 15% discount on their challenge prices using the link I dropped in the description below. So yeah, just click that link and you'll get the discount directly applied under their challenges section. I really think it's a great deal if you're planning to start soon, especially since promo spots like this don't last long. Now, let's check out their Trustpilot rating. You'll see that OneFunded currently has a 4.4 star rating with around 100 reviews. They're still building their trust score, of course, but that's a solid start for a growing firm. They're also based in the United Kingdom, which gives them a nice bit of credibility in the global prop scene. And, you know, it's always good to see firms like this expanding responsibly and earning real trader feedback along the way. If you want to learn more about them, I've included their official link in the description below so you can explore OneFunded yourself. So yeah, they currently offer 3 trading plans, a 1-step program, a 2-step program, and also something called the 1F limited plan. Each one is designed a bit differently depending on your trading style and risk comfort. We'll break each of those down in just a moment so you can see which one might fit your goals best. So let's start first with the 1-step program. This one's pretty straightforward. It's just a single stage, meaning you only need to pass one phase to become a funded trader. The profit target here is 10%, and you need a minimum of 5 trading days to qualify. So yeah, that means you can't just hit your target in one day and cash out. You have to stay consistent. They've also got a maximum daily loss of 4%, so you definitely want to stay below that to keep your account safe. On top of that, the maximum overall loss is 6%, so make sure to manage your risk carefully. The trading period is unlimited, which is great, and the profit split goes up to 90%, which is honestly pretty generous. Oh, and the fee is refundable, which is always a nice bonus. You can start anywhere from $2,000 all the way up to $100,000, giving you plenty of flexibility depending on your comfort level. Now, moving on to the 2-step program, which is also available from $2,000 up to $100,000. This one has 2 stages, so you'll need to pass both phases to become funded. For phase 1, the profit target is 8%, and for phase 2, it's 5%. The minimum trading days are only 3, which is pretty manageable if you plan well. The maximum daily loss here is 5%, and the overall loss is capped at 10%. So yeah, the rules are slightly looser than the 1-step, but you've got to prove consistency twice. The trading period is still unlimited, and again, you can get up to a 90% profit split. The fee is refundable too, so as long as you pass, you basically get that back. I'd say this one's perfect for traders who like a bit more structure and want to build up confidence over 2 phases. Next up, we've got something called 1F limited. And this one's kind of interesting because it's priced cheaper than the other 2. You'll notice their challenges are a lot more affordable right now, especially with some ongoing promos. So yeah, the 2-step program is currently discounted by 23%, but if you go with 1F limited and you start with $2,000, you'll only pay around $25 for the fee, which is insanely low for a prop challenge. With that, you can trade up to $25,000 in capital. The profit target for this one is also smaller, just 7% for phase 1 and 4% for phase 2. That's much lower than what most firms require, which is nice if you want easier goals. The minimum trading days are only 2, the maximum daily loss is 5%, and the overall loss can go up to 11%, which is actually the highest among the 3 plans. Honestly, that's a pretty generous cushion for traders still learning discipline. What's cool is that this 1F limited plan is only available for a limited time, so if you're planning to try it, don't wait too long. The trading period is still unlimited, the profit split is up to 90%, and yes, the fee is refundable just like the others. If you want to learn more about them, you can visit their website and check out the trading platforms they support. Right now, they're using CTrader and TradeLocker. They've also mentioned that MetaTrader 5 is coming soon, which is great because most traders are super comfortable with that platform. So yeah, once that's released, it'll definitely make things even smoother for a lot of users. Now, as for how it all works at OneFunded, it's actually pretty simple. You pick your challenge, whether it's the 1-step, 2-step, or 1F limited, and then you just prove your skills through live trading. Once you pass, you'll need to complete a KYC process to unlock your funded account. After that, you can start trading real funds and even request payouts. The cool part is that they have no deadlines, so you can take your time and trade at your own pace. And yeah, payouts are processed on a 14-day cycle, which is pretty quick compared to other firms. The profit split can go up to 90%, and you can keep withdrawing as long as you stay within the rules. If you want to connect with them or ask questions, you can always reach out on their social media pages. They're pretty active there. Once you sign up and log into the dashboard, you'll also see a leaderboard that tracks the top performing traders. You'll find the trader with the highest profit, even if they only started with a $5,000 account, which is super inspiring. There are also stats for the longest funded account durations and highest single reward, so you can see what's possible. It's really motivating to see real traders succeeding under the same system you're joining. Not only that, but OneFunded also has a reward center, which I think is a really cool touch. You can earn points for doing certain activities like following their social media, posting testimonials, completing challenges, or even leaving reviews on Trustpilot. Each task gives you points, and you can convert those into discounts or even free challenges. It's a nice way to stay engaged and get something extra while trading. So yeah, it adds a bit of gamification to the whole experience, which keeps things fun. Lastly, let's talk a bit about the trading platforms they offer. On TradeLocker, you'll get tight spreads and access to a wide range of assets. You can choose between Forex, metals, oil, and a few other tradable markets. On CTrader, you can also trade directly through your web browser, which is super convenient. And they've got a community chat on Discord where traders share updates, announcements, and even live payout proofs. So yeah, if you're curious, you can hop in there and check out what other funded traders are saying. All right, so that's the full breakdown on OneFunded. Pretty cool, right? And also tech provider, BrianX Tech. It's one of those prop firms that actually gives traders a fair shot to scale up without risking their own cash. Profit splits up to 90%, and the chance to really trade like a pro without the usual stress of losing your own money. And honestly, that's what makes it stand out. It's clean, transparent, and super beginner friendly. You can even start with the 1F challenge for like $23, which has some of the easiest rules to pass just 2 trading days and a realistic profit target. So yeah, if you're thinking about leveling up your trading, check out OneFunded. I dropped my 15% discount code down in the description. Go use it, get your challenge, and start trading with their capital instead of yours.